bambi isandla sakho
ngicela
coach.
ijacket ka-watch please.
Xa bambi isandla sakho ngizogijima isilver next year.
Yeah.
Sanibona champions, njengoba nibona sithethe umqeqeshi ophuma izandla odume kwize lonke okhiqiza i-champions.
Sure.
Coach, besandobuya ukwenza imihlola nabuya nerecord nika-100
Ngezwa kahle Victor.
kilometers. Siyanivuyisela umsebenzi omuhle.
Sabonga kakhulu,
Uyancomeka.
sabonga kakhulu. Yeah.
Sibuyile emva koko seza ku-combat.
Yes.
Ibisithini inhlelo zethu?
To be quite honest, nabhuti wami, besingafuna ukufaka umfana i-pressure. If you could just look at it, noma mhlambe ngokwe-history comrades, bambalwa abantu on their debut athi bewina i-race, and once you win a race on your debut, especially comrades, then it's more like ukuzifaka imthwalo okuzoba nzima ukuthi kwesikhathi ubuye ususa. So we didn't have much of a recovery after 100 kilometers. To be quite honest, namhlanje I'm going to reveal that we only had about 2 months of a training. So that's the reason why we said we'll go there just for an experience. So that 12th position was a surprise to us, and for him to finish comrades, it shows the strength of Anaso and how talented the guy is. So ukanjalo bhuti.
Siyakwazi coach,
Yeah.
udala ukhiqiza i-champions kulomdlalo.
Sure.
Umuntu onjengawe mayithatha abagijima abatsha ebafaka kulomqhudelwano, ithini approach yakho ne-attitude oyifaka kubagijimi bakho ukuze bakholele ukuthi njengoba uhlala usenza uwinisa abantu kulomqhudelwano nabo banalo ithuba?
It's a vertical articulation engisebenzisa kakhulu. You can't jump from step 1 to step number 8.
Yeah.
It has to be i-tapers landelana ngendlela zakhona. So we have a plan in hand, and unfortunately we can't always reveal plan it, but we have a plan in hand. Ukuthi ekugcineni ama-athletes, they must run to live, they must run to motivate, they must run and enjoy. At the same time, we must protect their bodies and their talent. So that is all in our plan, and the things enzayo sengizenza ngalo lo hlelo lelo. Ukuthi ngithola kwe-EPH yonke into isuke ine plan yakhona, just like how I worked with Mthobong Musa, yabona. Ngimthole kwenye AG, and I had a plan naye, and after that plan, then the contract was over, and that's it, yabona. I've worked with so many athletes, abo Kosinathi Duma, abo Tusomsiya, abo Mhlabana Nkoskona. Like I had a plan now, yabona. Njengoba ngine plan with these young boys, yabona. Bakhona nabanye futhi abakhona beside us, but nabo kune plan ekhona in hand. I can't just introduce them simply because they are performing. By introducing my ultra, my introducing, yabona. Umuntu ngibheka i-strength sakhe and ngimthathe ngibeke ngawo. So that's how I work.
Izimvo zakho zithini coach? Sibone i-results ezithusayo izolo. Record lashaywa ngendlela esingazange sayibona. Nesimo nje se-race mawusubhekile izolo. Ithini uluvo lwakho ngoba uhambe njani izolo?
You know, now once I had an interview no Zagweni, Moses Mapida, and then ngamtshela ukuthi a 5:15 isona sikhathi sosithola leso, because izinto zishintshile. Emva kwalokho kwazangibuza even with i-technology, introduce kwe-technology kwi-running, yabona. Kuyasiza kakhulu. I think izolo that has been proven, and also you can go back to my Facebook post. Ngabhala ngathi it's just my opinion. Ngathi winning time izoba u-5:15. Masekuthi a worst case ngaba u-5:30, and top 10 was from 5:15 to 5:30.
Yeah.
This is simply because ngiyawalandela ama-runners, ngiyabalandela abantu, yabona. And lokhu kwenza ukuthi understand kalula ngokugijima, and futhi uqonde ukuthi lezokwenzakala. And for those that have been chatting to bayazi abaningi athi sixoxa nabo, I told him ukuthi George Kashke is going to win the combat. I was 100% sure that he's going to win the combat, because on his debut, waphuma number 12. And that's when I realized this guy is talented, and he's coming from the background of his speed. So he knows how to apply my cadences ngendlela right. Most of the converse runners, they put all the foot down. But if you are coming from the background of a track, you know how to kitchen kanjani. So you fly whenever you run. So izinto zizoshintsha ngalo ndlela.
Uthetha ngento ebaluleke kakhulu, le transition yokusuka kwi-speed ne-short distance to dominating the ultra. Siyimanage kanjani from your point of view ukwenzela ukuthi la performance translate into the ultra distance?
It makes it easy for an athlete to come out with track, but easy kakhulu, because I mean, you don't need speed for an ultra. So you are coming from a background of the ultra, I mean of a track, or which has to do more with the speed. So it's a matter of applying endurance and strength. Like I said, we only had 2 months. So in 2 months we focused on long runs at 60 kilometers, 60 kilometers. And he was able to finish the race simply because he's got a background of speed. So he knows how to run. Then after we started adding strength endurance on my heels. And then kuba easy ngalo ndlela control. Yeah.
Coach, inhlelo zenu kusuka apha ngoku zithini? Sijonge ku
Marathon.
Sifuna ukwenzani kule marathon?
Marathon. So
Futhi mase sithetha ngalo le marathon, irecord lethu le marathon lihleli around 2, is it 205? 205 14 something.
yeah, it's yeah.
Ingabe mhlawumbe singalindela ukuthi sizawulehlisa le record okanye?
Not by me, but yes, kuzokwenzeka.
Okay.
And maybe not by my athletes, but kuzokwenzeka ukuthi lehle.
Okuhle konke kusebenzeka kuya phambili.
Thank you so much. Ndabantu abaqhubeke nokusupport iWatch. Ikhuluma kakhulukazi ngezinto that has to do with ukugijima and athletics. Abantu laba engibabona besikhandla kakhulu and bawanakekela ama-athletes wethu ngayo yonke indlela, including us as the coaches, ukuthi basinikeze ithuba lokuthi sikwazi ukukhuluma nabo. That's massive and we really appreciate it. Keep on supporting Watch. Thank you.
Siyabonga coach, siyabonga.